and started talking to my friend in English, and after the time I just got 1 point from that day.
It is very easy way from my opinion because I felt that I cannot learn English. Hello everyone.
This side of Hassan Talks Group, and today we are here to discuss about our topic, which is how I've been learning English. So without further delay, let's get started.
So I have been learning English for 2 years and it is very easy way from my opinion because I felt that I cannot learn English, but when I started learning English, so it is very easy and every day I do practice, and whenever I sit idle, so I start doing practice, and now I am able to speak English, and I also do practice every day so that I can speak English fluently. So I hope you got my point. Now I would like to listen to Nasiba.
So if I talk about myself, so I have been learning with different type of tasks which my teacher has been giving to me, and the one thing which I really wanted to tell you in my earlier video which I couldn't, that is in the starting when my teacher said that English is not allowed, English is very, you have to speak English and Hindi is not allowed in the class. So first time I just got scared because I didn't know how to speak English fluently. I just knew little bit, and after that I just started speaking English with my friend and started talking to my friend in English, and after the time I just got 1 point from that day. That was in the starting. It is not possible that you can do everything at once. No, it can't. So every time if you have to do something, so it will take some time to adjust and it will take some time to do that work, and after that you will be able to do. So I hope you got my point. I hope you got my every point which I told you. Thank you for giving your precious time. Have a nice day. Bye bye.